Ang Hawaii, nag-cost siya ng 2,500 and 5,000 per person. Average enrollee 400, pero ang average roughly niya is $4,000 per week. Depending on style daw. A 7-day trip for usually ranges from $5,000 to $8,000. Main expenses included flights. $300 to $900 plus sa accommodation. Tapos sa car rentals is 200 to 700 at night. Okay. Hindi. Mali pala ako. Expenses pala yun. Sa accommodation. Sa car rentals pala is 200 to 700 night. Tapos meron ding depende kasi sa style eh. $1,000. May one. Mayaman siya. Mayaman si Chicheng. Pero I don't think so kung... Okay, titignan ko siya. Kung anong cost niya sa dollar. What is $1,000 yuan from peso? $8,900 to 9,000 Philippines pesos. Oh my God! Guys, alam nyo, pang ano na yan? Pang tuition fee na talaga yan. Yes. Pang enrollment na yan sa school nyo. Tsaka sa mga everyday needs nyo sa bahay. Okay. Not so cute. Okay. The ending of 157 so good. Yun lang nangyari. Okay. So, since it's been 2 hours, so I leave this novel at chapter 158. So, yun nga guys. This was 609 pages out of 1,290. Mahaba pala 158. Okay. I can do the 2 chapter at night.